Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Alamy contributor account and start selling your photography and creative content, follow these comprehensive step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Go to the Alamy contributor website at alamy.com/contributor and log in using the username and password you created during your contributor registration. Step 2. After logging in, navigate to your contributor dashboard, where you'll find information about your account status and any pending verification requirements. Step 3. Locate the verification section in your account settings or dashboard. Alamy requires contributor verification for quality control and legal compliance. Step 4. Provide your personal or business information, including your full legal name, address, and contact details. Ensure all information is accurate and matches your identification documents. Step 5. Complete the tax information section by filling out the appropriate tax forms. U.S. contributors typically complete a W-9 form, while international contributors complete a W-8-BEN form. Step 6. Upload identity verification documents, such as a government-issued photo ID, passport, or driver's license. Ensure the documents are clear, valid, and show all required information. Step 7. Set up your payment preferences by entering your bank account details or PayPal information, where you want to receive your royalty payments from image sales. Step 8. Submit sample images for technical review if required by Alamy. Your first uploads may be reviewed to ensure they meet Alamy's quality and technical standards. Step 9. Wait for Alamy's verification team to review your submission. The verification process typically takes several business days, and you'll receive email updates on your status. Step 10. Once verified, check your email for confirmation and return to your contributor dashboard to begin uploading images, managing your portfolio, and tracking your sales. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.